Holy shit. Is that Owen Wilson from Disney Pixar's Cars?
Where's the food?
What's in my shirt, you ask?
So guys, what I did was, this is my calculator, right? And I opened it, and I was checking 1, 1, 3, and 4, and when I turned around, hell, it said hell.
Oh my god, can you stop? Can you stop? Just collaborate and listen. What I want.
Hey Eli, there's a spider by you.
Ah!
You got it. Back and make you say the number 5.
Okay.
How old were you when your dad left?
He was 5.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Hey, Batman. What? Fuck. Yup, I knew it. I knew you were Batman. No, it sounded like you said Bruce. It just sounded Batman. What? God! Hey, it's him!
So one last time, I need to be the one who takes.
You fucking missed, man.
When the barber accidentally gives you a bowl cut, it's like, what are you gonna do?
Is Scott here?
You know what? He just left.
Sure, you may be verified on Twitter, but are you verified in the eyes of God?
Well, it's been a great day today. Can't wait for more.
I hate this damn ass bitch animal. Fuck me.
2 shots of vodka, then 1.
You can't sit with us. Actually, Megan, I can't sit anywhere. I have hemorrhoids.
You play it, you get $100 million, but 100 million people will die.
Kevin, no.
So you guys coming to my party? Who? You guys. It's just me. Oh, what up?
7, 8, and 1, 2. Patricia! You stop dropping that, okay, sweetie?
Hello, Sarah. Hi, Tiffany. Those shoes look familiar.
Oh my god, what are you wearing?
Gucci.